what's up guys? We got a 2004 Toyota Tundra. Did a windshield replacement on. Just pulled the wipers off and molding a little bit. We're going to get the cowling off. Got a little T25, not a T30, not a T20. These clips. This is right here, one more there, and two over there. This is one of those. Okay, so we got these screws, 1, 2, 3, 4 screws on the side moldings. There's supposed to be a rubber piece filling in this area, but it's not there. It happens on a lot of them when they've been redone. So again, we got these 2, 3, 4 screws, and this one actually has the rubber. So on this rubber, pop it right out, okay? And then to go back, we got our WRD orange bat. We're gonna go ahead and use this to go ahead and cut the windshield out. Looks like my line broke on the last one still, so I think I might just use the spider style and keep using this line still. I don't feel like replacing it right now. Let's see. Oh, this windshield, it's like cigarette smoke all over it. And I was actually wondering if the film on here is going to affect the sliding, and I guess we're going to find out. Let's whoops. Wow. I think it's somewhat common. Oh. Anyways, the line broke. So we're going to be using some cold knife cutouts today. We got our Zipknives by Mike Rose. Mike Rose, shout out to you for making these things. I'll work my way up. So all this is cut from the wire. Okay. Holy cow. Glass just fell apart right there. Our SW 2108, specific to the extended cab only, coming out like this. This is the Dow F1. You got to put some elbow grease into that sucker, but you know what I'm saying? Alright, now we're ready to go ahead and put our molding on. This one, we got a, we're using the right trim by Creative, the flex trim. Personally, I really don't like the idea of pushing moldings on. You know, it never ends well, in my opinion. We got our quick set out. You know, quick set, adjustable there, adjustable there. You know, it's a great tool. Okay, I think we're good there. If you ain't using it, you losing it.